Yes, okay. Right, let's do this one. Let's do it. You saw the video title. Ndebele people, they don't support their own celebrities. Ndebele people, they don't support their own stars or heroes or celebrities. Right. But before I speak about this or before I deliberate on this issue, I want to address something. I saw comments saying that I'm tribalistic. I saw comments written that, hey, brah, hey, guy, hey, man, you are tribalistic. I want to address that right now. I am not tribalistic. The fact that I speak something bad about Ndebele people or Ndebele tribe from Bulawayo, Matebele province, does not make me a tribalistic person. Does not in any way, in any fashion, in any sense, in whatever man, a tribalistic person. Remember, I'm Shona, and I've spoken a lot of bad things, bad stuff, or negativity concerning Shona people, even Shona people on my channel. There are there videos where I'm addressing the very Shona people, my fellow tribe. So why didn't the same people come to me and say, hey, what are you doing to your fellow tribe? What are you doing to your fellow people? I spoke about bad things, bad stuff that I know, that I understand that are happening or taking place within the Shona tribe or from Mashonaland region, Mashonaland province. I spoke against those things a lot of times, multiple times. You understand? So if I speak bad about you as Ndebele people, Ndebele tribe, I'm not tribalistic. I am not tribalistic, and I'll never be tribalistic. You understand what I'm saying? This is the nature of life. Things can be good, can be bad, can be ugly, can be beautiful, can be positive, can be negative. This is how God designed this life. This is how God made this life. Things cannot be only good, only positive, only beautiful, only super amazing. No. Can be bad, can be messy. You understand? Can be ugly, can be negative. And we have to speak about those negativities or bad stuff or bad things. People like me, a podcaster, I have to speak about those things or discuss those things. Of course, in a good way, beautiful way, in a respectful way. You understand what I'm saying? Yes. So back to my story. So I saw comments, I saw words, messages from this other guy, or maybe people saying, this is what I've realized from Bulawayo, from Matebele province, that any celebrity, any star from Bulawayo, from the Ndebele tribe, Ndebele people, they don't support their own, they don't back up their own. So this guy, especially this guy, or particularly this guy from this podcast that is based in HARARE, Zimbabwe, was like, for a long time, I've been seeing this, I've been checking this, or I've been hearing this, I've been seeing this kind of a trend. Whenever a star from music, drama, comedy, sports, a star, a celebrity pops up, after that, a short time, you see him going down, or you see her going down. People not supporting her. People not supporting her brand or his brand. Of course, these people are Ndebele people or Bulawayo people, Matebele people, saying, they don't support their own. So I was listening to him. I was hearing him talk on his podcast. I'm like, okay, what? Of course, it was my first time to hear about that. It was my first time to discover such kind of news, such kind of information. Like, Ndebele people, of course, there are celebrities there. There are stars from any field in life, any aspect in life. Celebrities, stars, heroes, they don't support their own. They don't back up their own. This guy from his podcast, he gave two examples. First example, he gave the example of Sandra Ndebele. This lady, this woman, Ndebele woman, Sandra Ndebele, that she's very good in music, but most of your followers are not even Ndebele people. Most of your people, your followers, people who support your brand, music brand, are not even Ndebele people. They are Shona people from Harare and other towns under Mashonaland and other cities under Mashonaland. People who support Sandra Ndebele in a music journey all over all these years. If you do the research, if you do a study, they are not even Ndebele people. They are Shona people, Mashonaland people, supporting Sandra Ndebele, supporting a music, supporting a brand or a style of music. Then example number two, there's a young girl right now as I talk to you by the name Manine. Ma9, maybe you know her, and whatever she's doing in Bulawayo, under Matebele province. This podcaster said, this girl, Ma9, most of her followers are Shona people, most of her support, most of her everything to support her in a hustle, in a venture, is coming from Shona people, Mashona land, or rather from Harare, the capital city Harare. Not even Bulawayo, not even Ndebele people, not even the Ndebele tribe, fellow Ndebele tribe, not even from Matebele land. So according to him, these two examples solidify and cement his point to say, or his argument to say, these guys, they don't support their own. They're not interested in supporting their own heroes, their own stars, their own celebrities in music, entertainment, comedy, entertainment, drama, entertainment, sports. So this is what this guy was saying on his podcast. Like, I develop people, something must change. Something must happen to shift their mindsets, to change their mindsets, their mentality when it comes to supporting their own heroes, when it comes to supporting their own stars or their own heroes, celebrities in Bulawayo, under Matebele province, under Matebele region. The guy was so much in pain, was feeling bad when talking about this, narrating this issue. Yes, when dissecting this matter or this issue, like, they don't support their own. Something must change. Okay, you stayed in Bulawayo. Maybe an Ndebele person, listen to me. Ndebele person, listen to me. Whatever gender, you're a man, Ndebele woman, Ndebele guy, Ndebele girl. Whatever your gender, talk to me. Is this true or is not true? Is this correct or is not correct? That they don't support their own. They don't back up their own. Or these stars, or these upcoming stars, or these smaller stars rising from music, or doing drama, doing comedy, doing politics, doing business, doing entrepreneurship, whatever field of endeavor that they are doing, that they are carrying out or undertaking. Develop people, they don't support their own. They just look at them and do nothing. They just cheer them from a distance, or just look at them from a distance, like, what are they doing? Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Rather, without any good support, meaningful support that they extend or channel to such people. A music star, a celebrity from sports, football, whatever sport, from doing drama, comedy, somebody who is doing politics, taking part in politics, practicing politics, or entrepreneurship. Please, what I comment, I want to hear this one. I'm expected to hear this one. You're a Ndebele person, a man, woman. You're from Matebele province, in whatever part of Matebele. Of course, you know what I'm saying. Is this true or is not true? Is this correct or is not correct? How do you respond? How do you answer me? How do you reply to that guy? Was he right or he was not right in his observation, in his discovery, in his submission or postulation? How do you respond? Talk to me. I want to know on this subject about supporting your celebrities, those guys who are trying to come up, who are trying to do something of their own, be bosses of their own in business, entrepreneurship, in sports, comedy, drama, in music. The list goes on and on and on and on. How do Ndebele people react? How do they manage this kind of a situation? What do they do? Please, I want to hear in the comment section, comments box. Talk to me. I'm waiting. I'll be coming to the comment section, comments box to see and to check who said what. I'm coming. Otherwise, see you in the next episode. Peace out. Sharp.